In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $900 or more a day simply by reselling done-for-you digital programs in the e-learning industry, which is like $1 billion a day industry. So you don't have to create anything here. This is like a business in a box. We give you these 4 different digital programs that not only can you learn from, and you're going to learn everything about digital marketing, how to become an entrepreneur, how to build multiple streams of income. So not only do you get to learn from these programs, but you get to resell them and you keep 100% of the profits because you have the master resale rights to these programs. So master resale rights means basically you purchase a digital program one time and then you can resell that digital program and you earn 100% profit per sale. Okay. So I launched this business back in 2024. And since then I've made multiple 5 figures. I made thousands of dollars with this business simply by reselling these programs. So how do you sell these programs? Well, we teach you attraction marketing. Okay. So that means you don't have to pay for ads. You don't have to bother your friends and family. You don't have to cold message strangers. All you're doing is following the 2-hour workday, which means you create 3 pieces of content a day and you can go live and you can post free ads. Now you can do that however you want. If you don't want to go live or post free ads, then you can just create more content. There's one person in our community, her name is Wendy. She's made around $1 million with this business and she doesn't really go live. She's gone live like maybe 2 times or something like that. But she's made like $1 million just by posting content on social media, right? It can be short form videos. Most of us do that. Short form videos, like one video could be 7 seconds, a B-roll video with text overlay. The other videos can just be like little talking videos where you're just talking, just like I'm talking now. And you're just sharing your business with people. You're just sharing the programs with people. You're sharing the opportunity with people, right? That's how business works, okay? Every business on the planet, either they're promoting some kind of product, service, or opportunity. So we promote all 3. We promote the product, which is the digital programs. We have the service, which we have a community of 56,000 people where you get daily millionaire mentoring, you get live interactive mentoring from 6- and 7-figure income earners, okay? And then the opportunity is you have the opportunity to resell these programs and earn 100% profit per sale without having to create anything, okay? So you have to understand when it comes to making money, you basically have 2 choices if you're just a normal person, right? One choice is to be an employee, which means you're building other people's businesses and you're making other people rich. The second choice is to be an entrepreneur, okay, which means you're building your own business like this business and you're making yourself rich. And I'm not saying overnight. This is not a get rich quick scheme, okay? Quick disclaimer. This is not a get rich quick scheme, okay? You actually got to put in effort, okay? I'm not guaranteeing you results because I don't know how much money you're going to make. I can't see into the future. I have no idea. But I do know it's based on your effort. Just like I've made multiple 5 figures based on my effort, okay? And all you need for this business, you just need Wi-Fi, your phone, and 2 hours a day, okay? So if you want to learn more, just go here, 7figuremonk.com. There's a link in my bio. Go there, check out the information. If you have any questions, all you got to do is reply to my emails, and you can get started at any time. It's a one-time investment. You purchase one of the programs. You pay $39 for your website, one-time investment, and then all you need is 1 sale, and then you get your investment back. Okay, my business has been in profit mode for over a year because I got my first sale in 2 to 3 weeks, and we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Okay, so if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan, and I used to be a monk. That's why I'm known as a 7-figure monk. And now I just help people make money online so they can live a life of freedom. Like I'm on a mission to help 1,000 people become self-made millionaires, okay? And I'll keep showing up until that happens. Now I'm just gonna share with you how this business looks, okay? I'm gonna show you behind the scenes, like how this business looks. And I'm gonna show you like everything you need to do to get started and all that stuff. So we're gonna give you this sales funnel, right? This is part of the business in a box. You're gonna have your own capture page. So like if someone clicks on your link, they're gonna go here. It's called a capture page, okay? So what you're doing is you're building your emails. And then we give you 30 emails to begin with. So every time someone puts their email in, they're gonna get 30 emails sent out to them on autopilot. Now these are emails created by 6- and 7-figure income earners, so they're proven to work, okay? So once they put their email in, they're gonna go through the rest of the sales funnel. They're gonna watch this video. They're gonna see some testimonies here, like $600 sale, $3,000 in 6 days. She made $50K in 2 months, okay? $7,000 week for a homeschooling mama. They're gonna see these things. And then there's another video we sent out on their website, and there's also more wins, okay? $1,800 day, $10,000 March, $10,000 for March, okay? $1,500 dings, $1,300 day, $2,000 day, $5,000 in 8 days. That's because our top selling product sells for $900, right? and you earn 100% profit. Like Savannah, she made $1,800 in a day. That just means she made 2 sales. Now I've had $1,800 days and I've had a lot of $900 days. Okay. The most I've had so far is $1,800, right? And soon we're going to be launching our new product, which so you'll be able to earn $1,400 sales. That's coming up. And then, so they're going to watch these 2 videos, and these 2 videos are like answering 99% of people's questions for you. And the rest of the 1%, well, they can just email you if they have more questions. Okay. And then it's going to take them ultimately here. This is your website. Okay. This is your website here that you don't have to create yourself. It's already created. You just got to plug in your details. And then there's checkout buttons here. People can go and they purchase one of the products. And then once they purchase the product, you get paid instantly, right? So that's the goal. You take people from here to here. Okay, that's the goal, right? How would an extra $300 and $900 per day change your life? Now, if you learn the skills to attract a $900 customer a day, that's $27,000 a month and $328,000 a year. How would that help you? Okay, think about it. Now, there's 50,000 people in our community. I'm just showing you this website, what it looks like. There's 50,000 people in our community. We did $29 million in sales, paid out to our community in 10 months, and we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. All you need is 1 sale, you get your investment back. 2 sales, your business is in profit, okay? And then we have the certification training you get to go through when you're brand new. So this is going to show you the do's and the don'ts when it comes to marketing these programs and digital marketing in general. And you keep 100% of the profit, which is big. Most businesses only earn 10 to 30% profit per sale. Okay, there's different testimonial videos that people can watch, right? You just got to put your picture here because you're branding this website to you. You're building your brand, okay? So you have your picture here. You put your bio here. ChatGPT can help you create your bio. We show you how to set all this up, okay? Even if you have no experience with digital marketing or online marketing or being an entrepreneur, you're going to learn all of this stuff inside of our program and inside of the community. So if you want to get started with this program, with this business, you just purchase one of the programs, 100, 300, 600, or 900, just so you know, for you and for your customers. And plus there's payment plans as well. So you can also get started with the payment plan. So it's super affordable. And if you need help with that, just reply to my emails, right? And then, yeah, this is what the website looks like. I'm just showing you. I put my own pictures here, so it's branded to me. You can put your pictures there to brand to you, or you can just keep the system however it looks when it comes out. Like once you see it, you don't have to change anything if you don't want to, but we also teach you how to add your own pictures. If you don't want to do faceless, you can have faceless pictures. You don't have to show your face. It's not necessary. It's your choice. And why is this perfect for you? This is perfect for you if you want to earn some extra income. Your 9-to-5 job doesn't provide financial security. You want to work from anywhere. You're tired of trading all your time for money. You want a proven system that actually works. This is proven. I've made multiple 5 figures. Even after failing for so many years trying to make money online, I've still made multiple 5 figures with this business so far. So that's just me, but we've created over 100 6-figure income earners, okay? And around 2 people that have made around $1 million or more. So it works. It's not a question of does it work. It's just you actually have to take action because God helps those who help themselves. So you have to get off the sidelines and you have to get in the game and you have to take action, okay? Why does this process work? This is the process of reselling other people's products, just like Apple phones, you know? How many people sell Apple phones and they make millions of dollars doing that? So many companies sell Apple phones. So reselling other people's products is not a new thing. Just like Amazon, they sell all kinds of products. Supermarkets, department stores, they sell other people's brands all the time. It's just normal business, okay? Why is master resale rights better than other business models? Because we earn 100% profit. Most other business models only earn like 10 to 30% profit per sale. You don't have to create anything. Everything's created for you. There's no inventory. There's no shipping. Okay, these are proven to sell products. Okay, that's why we did $29 million in 10 sales. These are educational programs in the e-learning industry, which is like $1 billion a day industry. Okay, so yep, that's the website. You can check it out at 7figuremonk.com. I don't have to read through everything because you can check it out yourself. I just want to show you what you're gonna get here. Okay, and then you also get these bonuses. You get access to our community for free, where you get coached and trained and mentored and supported from a whole community. And you get mentoring from 6- and 7-figure income earners, live interactive mentoring too, plus daily millionaire mentoring from a millionaire. She drops a training in there. It's like 2 to 7 minutes. You watch it. It helps you build your business. Okay. And you get a community builders training. You get to learn how to create your own community. Canva crash course to help you create content with Canva. You get my first million in 17 months blueprint from my friend and mentor, Michelle. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan. You get your invisible empire faceless marketing. You get 200 digital product ideas, so you can create your own offers and market those as well. Okay, so we also, like, not only can you make money reselling these programs, but we teach you how to build multiple streams of income in a variety of ways. Okay, so that's that. And then there's frequently asked questions there. So let's say you're ready to start your business. Let's say you're done being overworked and underpaid, and you're ready to start a business. You just purchase one of the programs, and as soon as you purchase your program, you're going to have access to it here. We store the programs inside of Kajabi, so it says view all my products, right? So here's a certification training that you can go through. You just go through the certification training, get certified. Okay, then you become a licensed reseller. You go through your bonuses. Here's your bonuses. And then what you got to do is, like, inside of your program, it's already laid out for you. It's like a recipe. You just got to follow the recipe, right? So you go into your program, click here to get started. You watch these videos. One of the first things you got to do is set up your website, okay? You got to set up your system. We call it the Freedom Machine because it gives you your life back. So this system you got to set up. These pages, right? Your sales funnel. This is how you receive your payments. If you don't have these pages set up, then you can't receive payments. So that's probably the first thing you should do, right? I would say so. So you set up these pages. Okay, we show you how to do it step by step. You just watch the videos. Okay, like one of the things you got to do is go to GoDaddy. You need your own domain, and you need a professional email address. Like my domain is sevenfiguremonk.com. My email address is support@sevenfiguremonk.com. Okay, so then you got to attach your payment gateways. That's how you receive your payments through like PayPal, Square, Stripe. You got to attach your payment gateways, right? And then after that, you just basically got to connect your system to your domain, set up these pages, and then you can set it up in like 1 to 2 days. Just took me a few hours to set up. It just depends how focused you are, really. Okay, you get those pages set up, and then and that's that. And then after that, after you get your website set up, you just have to, watch this launch kit for your online business. This teaches you how to get your first sale in 7 days. And that's what the product is. It's the education, it's information, e-learning, right? E-learning is like $1 billion a day industry. Education, training, information, that's the e-learning industry, okay? Launching your online business, your vision, your income earning activities, choosing your social media platform, understanding the social media algorithm, what is attraction marketing, and why does it work? That's the kind of stuff you're going to be learning plus more, okay? That teaches you how to get your first sale. And then you go through the rest of the training on your time, like marketing and social media, discovery method, how to find and attract customers, mastering storytelling, branding your business, all the stuff you're going to learn here, right? So yeah, that's that. That's where the products are. That's where your programs are. And then let me just show you inside of our community. Okay. Let me show you inside of our community here. So here's our community, right? And once you're inside of our community, you can write something. Like if you want to introduce yourself, post wins, whatever, you have a question, you write it here. And let me just show you proof that people are making money just by reselling these programs. Let me show you proof. So yeah, look at 1,001 week for Jolanda. Okay, gratitude to our creator God who brought this done for you digital business onto my path. Okay, so she made 1,000 in 1 week. Praise to God. 401 in 10 days. Okay, she's talking about followers. So people post anything they want to post, right? 15 days later, she made $900. Okay, she made $900, and there you go. $900 sale after watching. $900 sale after a morning with my granddaughters. Okay, so she made $900 after just hanging out with her granddaughters because our business is fully automated, so you can make money at any time, right? Look at Jess. She's made $500K in 22 months, guys. $500,000 in 22 months. Boom. There you go. There's the proof. $100 sale. Okay. $900 sale from Melissa. Boom. There you go. There it is. So that's just one page of win. We have 30 posts per page, and there's 31,000 pages of wins. So it's a lot. I think that's like 900,000 or something wins. So I could read the wins all day, but I'm not going to do that. But I just want to show you proof that people are making money. There's your proof. Okay. And if you go into our classroom, see this platform is called School. Our community is inside of this platform called School. I love it. It's way better than the social media, in my opinion. So inside of the classroom, you have a getting started training, get your legacy builders, you get the webinars that you can invite people to, free webinars. Okay. You got mindset training, you get mentoring, Zoom replays, social media training. So not only do you get training in the program, but you could also get bonus training in our community. And then we go on these 90-day runs. Okay. We show you how to make 30K in 90 days. So you just watch these little videos every day, like 2 to 7 minutes. And then the calendar shows you where we have our live mentoring calls. So tomorrow we have a millionaire mentoring call, and then we have a customer growth formula call, and then tech support if you need help with your website for whatever reason. I never did, but we have tech support too. So that's the community, right? And like I said, with this business, you just got to get started. You set up your business, you're following a 2-hour workday, right? 3 pieces of content a day, and you can go live, or you can post free ads, right? I basically just post content and then go live. So look at my videos, right? I'm just going to show you an example of like me creating content. So videos, long form videos that I post on YouTube. These are videos that are over 10 minutes long. Okay. Short form videos, those are videos that I like to keep my short form videos like around a minute or less of just me talking, or it could be like a B-roll video. So this is like a B-roll video, right? So I just put words on the screen. I'm just walking around. I put words on the screen, B-roll video. Text overlay. Like you create a little B-roll of you doing stuff. You put a little text overlay. That's what I would call a B-roll video. People call it different things, but whatever. Okay. So, and then there's also, here's my lives, because I like to go live on TikTok and YouTube, and then my lives are saved on YouTube so people can watch the replays. And then on YouTube also, you can do written content. Like I create these little images. Like I use ChatGPT to create images like this. And then words, like ChatGPT can help you create the words, everything. Like we're going to teach you how to use AI. Here's just like, an ad that I kind of created with the AI, faceless. This is kind of like faceless content. All this stuff right here is faceless content, right? Motivational stuff, business stuff. That's what I like to post inside of here. Okay. So that's what I like about YouTube, because you can post all kinds of stuff. That's just giving you an example. And this is how I've made multiple 5 figures, by posting content like this. I've been attracting customers by posting content like this. Okay. So it's proven to work, not only for me, but for other people in our community as well. So yeah, that's it. Just if you want to learn more, if you're ready to start your business or learn more about how to start a business, 7figuremonk.com. The link's in the description. Put in your best email. Check the folders for the word blueprint. Reply to my questions if you have any. Reply to my emails if you have questions. And if you don't like it, you can unsubscribe at any time. No problem. Okay. So make sure you like this video. Share this video with someone who needs it. If you know someone who's stressed out financially and they're looking for ways to make money online, share this video with them, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'm always going to be like adding top-notch content. Okay. So thank you for watching, and have a great day. God bless.